Father of love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Allah is my guide and my salvation by night and by day through His holy prophet, Noble Drew Ali. Ameen. Peace and love, everybody. Happy Ramadan, Ramadan Kareem to all the Moorish Muslims engaging and observing this holy month. All right, holy month of nights. So, in contributing to the relief efforts of women and children, real quick, little informational, not legal advice, just legal information for where you can go and, find and pursue your own course of remedy and relief on your own. Now, in regards to matters involving human kidnapping, trafficking, and hold on a second, child custody, child support, repossessions, tax liens, judgments, federal violations of federal statutes or violations of federal statutes, all of which you would have to make that determination for yourself. Go through essentially a checklist before filing your notice of complaint and summons in a federal venue. Now, if you're engaged already in dealing with any court venue and you feel that your issues are federal or constitutionally based, then you may need to investigate what is called a removal or transfer of venue. Okay? And when you do that, you have to make sure that you state up front what it is that is in controversy and why it is that the federal court should be hearing the case. Case in point, diversity of citizenship. Let's talk diversity of citizenship real quick, okay? Diversity of citizenship applies or is applicable when the amount in controversy exceeds over $75,000 or the parties in the controversy reside in differing states, in which case, how could the state that you reside in subpoena a corporation or another legal fiction or legal jurisdiction is in if they have to deal with another state? That's state to state. They can't do that. They're not going to do that because that's already some form of conflict of interest. And if ever there's a conflict of interest, well, just as the Fifth Amendment applies to human beings, the Fifth Amendment also applies to legal entities. All right? So the states acting as corporations are not going to subpoena themselves or another state agency in to incriminate themselves, because that's a conflict of interest. So you're going to need to choose a venue that can hear that. Once again, if the matter at controversy involves an amount over $75,000, you need to be looking into the federal venues. If it's a matter of consumer rights violations, you need to be filing your complaint with the FTC and the CFPB. Any and all bad business going on with any state should be filed with the Better Business Bureau, the BBB. And of course, if you're dealing with an issue and it just costs way too much, you need to cut it. Just make sure that you look into the bankruptcy actions. All right? So, very short video. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if it's useful. Tell me, hey, appreciate the vibes, appreciate what you're doing, or just tell me, hey, you can do a little bit more. If you're looking for assistance, don't forget to email me. I've been getting quite a few emails, so big ups and much gratitude to the people who have been emailing me. We're out here, we're getting this work done for you, providing some of the services that most other temples just won't. But more simple, light, trust core. All right? Stay tuned. We got school, university classes coming soon. Peace and love.